Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll make some cool and refreshing summer drink, mint mojito, Imly mojito. I hope you like this drink. So now let's get started. Fresh mint leaf, lemon, polo, white cold drink, soda, ice cube. Take a glass or a jar. Firstly add crushed polo in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some fresh mint leaf, 2-3 slices of lemon, add some crushed ice, one-fourth soda water of your jar, and fill rest of the jar with white cold drink. Then mix it. Your drink is ready. Fresh mint leaf, lemon, sugar, black salt, इमली, सोडा, आइस क्यूब। पहले इमली लेनी है, फिर उसके अंदर पानी डालना है, फिर उसको मिक्स करना है अच्छे से 10 से 15 मिनट तक। टेक अ बाउल. Firstly add imli water in it that we had prepared. 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1/4 tablespoon of black salt. Some fresh mint leaves. Mix it well. Then add soda water. Take a glass or a jar. Add some crushed ice. Some fresh mint leaves. 2-3 slices of lemon. Add that imli water in the jar. And mix it. Your drink is ready.